Alright, first thing I've done is put a quarter of a cup of cooking oil in my pot. Now, let it get hot. In the meantime, I'm going to throw my onions in there. I've got one medium-sized onion, chopped. I want to get this rascal cooking down a little bit. We're going to have fun today. Making boudin cabbage rolls. Right now we're working on the gravy. Or sauce. However you wish to call it. Out here at my house, I'm making the gravy. Now this is going to start cooking down. It's smelling good already. This is my old Dutch oven. And that's a good one there. Ooh, it's smelling good already. Alright, at this point, I'm going to add some celery in there. I've got 2 stalks of celery, chopped. Now, I want to add bell pepper. I've got a half of a medium bell pepper. As you can see, I'm just sauteing these veggies real good before I start adding tomatoes and tomato sauce and all that. Now I want to add garlic. I've got 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Lord, that's smelling good. Hot dang. Smelling good. Sweating it down, Chaz. Sweating it down. Now I'm putting tomatoes. I've got 2 chopped up Roma tomatoes. I say chopped, I mean like diced in the maybe half-inch, quarter-inch size pieces. I'm not putting any paste in there. You won't see any tomato paste in here because I'm not looking for a thick gravy. I'm just looking for a good tasting gravy. Now we're going to sweat those tomatoes down. Ooh, baby, that smells good. Ah, yeah, boy. That's what I call the slits. Whew. All right, now. So, you see how it kind of sweated down there? Everything's real soft. Soft tomatoes are falling apart. Now I'm going to put 8 ounces of tomato sauce. And 8 ounces of water. Parsley, 6 sprigs of parsley, all chopped up. Got 6 little stems of green onions. Better keep my mess on the side, you know what I mean? Now, I might need a little more water after a while, but I will not use more than that little bottle of water right there. Chili powder. It's about a half a teaspoon. Not making chili. Paprika. About maybe a teaspoon of paprika. God dang, that smells good. Ooh-wee. Put a little salt. Salt's on you. However salt you want to put on there, that's up to you. Some people like a lot of salt, some don't like a lot of salt. It's your call. A little bit more water. So I probably got about maybe 10 ounces in there. And I'm going to let my sauce cook. Now I'm just going to let it simmer. If you want to add cayenne, you can add cayenne pepper at this time. Alright, this has been cooking about an hour and a half. So I'm going to shut it down. Alright, this is Chef Bork. I'll talk with you later.